Don't learn English for years. Learn to speak it starting today. Your transformation begins now. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back. Every person who speaks English fluently today once stood exactly where you are now. They felt nervous. They searched for the perfect sentence before opening their mouth. They worried about making mistakes, being judged, or forgetting simple words. The difference is not that they were more talented. The difference is that they stopped waiting for the perfect moment. They realized that confidence is not something you receive before you speak. Confidence is something you build because you speak. If you keep telling yourself, I will start speaking when my English becomes perfect, you will keep postponing your success. Perfection is not the starting line. It is the result of consistent practice over time. Look at a child learning to walk. A child does not wait until they can balance perfectly before taking the first step. They fall, they stand, they try again, and every attempt makes them stronger. Learning English follows the same pattern. Your first conversations may feel slow. You may pause to think. You may pronounce a few words incorrectly. You may forget vocabulary in the middle of a sentence. None of these things mean you are failing. They mean your brain is learning a new skill. Every sentence you speak teaches your mind something that no textbook can teach. Many learners spend months watching videos, reading books, and memorizing grammar rules. These activities are useful, but they cannot replace speaking. Imagine someone reading hundreds of books about swimming without ever entering the water. Will they become a swimmer? Of course not. Speaking English is exactly the same. You cannot become a confident speaker by studying alone. Your voice must become part of your learning process. The more you use your voice, the more natural English begins to feel. Stop worrying about how you sound. Most people are too busy thinking about themselves to judge you. Even native speakers make mistakes, forget words, and correct themselves during conversations. Communication is not about speaking perfectly. It is about sharing ideas clearly enough for others to understand you. If someone understands your message, you have already succeeded. That success deserves to be celebrated because communication is always more important than perfection. Instead of trying to learn thousands of new words immediately, begin using the words you already know. Simple English spoken confidently is far more powerful than difficult English that never leaves your mind. You don't need complicated vocabulary to introduce yourself, describe your day, share your opinions, or ask questions. Start with everyday conversations. Talk about your morning routine, your favorite food, your family, your goals, or the movie you watched yesterday. Every simple conversation becomes another brick in the foundation of your fluency. There will be days when you feel that your English is improving quickly, and there will be days when it feels like nothing is changing. Do not let temporary feelings control your long-term journey. Progress is often invisible while it is happening. Just as a tree grows quietly beneath the soil before anyone notices its height, your speaking ability develops with every practice session, every conversation, and every mistake you make. One day, you will suddenly realize that you are speaking sentences that once seemed impossible. Lumb the habit of saying, "My English is not good enough," with a stronger belief. My English becomes better every time I speak. These words change your mindset. They remind you that improvement is an action, not a gift. Every conversation is another opportunity to grow. Every attempt is another lesson. Every mistake is another step toward fluency. Speak even when your voice shakes. Speak even when you are unsure. Speak even when you know your grammar is not perfect. Your future fluent self is built one imperfect sentence at a time. Do not wait for the perfect vocabulary. Do not wait until you memorize every grammar rule. Do not wait until you lose your fear completely. Start with the English you have today. Use it proudly. Trust that every small effort is moving you forward. Your journey does not begin when you become perfect. Your journey begins the moment you decide that waiting is no longer an option. One of the biggest reasons people never become confident English speakers is not because they lack intelligence or talent. It is because they are afraid of making mistakes. They treat every mistake as proof that they are not good enough, when in reality, every mistake is evidence that they are learning. If you never make mistakes, it usually means you are staying inside your comfort zone, speaking only what feels safe, and avoiding the challenges that help you grow. Real progress begins the moment you become willing to sound imperfect while learning something new. Think about every skill you admire. A musician did not play beautiful music on the first day. An athlete did not win championships after one practice session. A writer did not create remarkable stories without rewriting countless pages. Every expert has a history filled with errors, corrections, failures, and repeated attempts. English is no different. Fluency is not built by avoiding mistakes. It is built by learning from them. Every incorrect sentence teaches you the correct one. Every forgotten word encourages you to remember it better the next time. Every awkward conversation prepares you for a smoother one tomorrow. Imagine that every mistake is a teacher standing beside you. Instead of criticizing you, it points toward the next improvement you need to make. When you pronounce a word incorrectly and someone gently corrects you, that correction becomes a gift. When you use the wrong grammar and later discover the right structure, your understanding becomes stronger than if you had simply memorized a rule. Lessons learned through experience often stay with you much longer because your brain connects them with real communication. Many learners spend too much energy trying to hide their mistakes instead of fixing them. They remain silent because silence feels safer than speaking imperfectly. But silence cannot improve your English. Your voice is your greatest learning tool. Every time you speak, your brain practices choosing words, building sentences, and expressing ideas. Even if those sentences are not perfect, your speaking muscles become stronger through repetition. Just like physical exercise strengthens your body, regular speaking strengthens your confidence. Stop comparing your first chapter with someone else's 100th chapter. You may see a fluent English speaker and believe they have always spoken that way. What you do not see are the years of practice, the embarrassing moments, the forgotten vocabulary, the incorrect pronunciation, and the countless conversations that help them improve. Everyone you admire has made more mistakes than you can imagine. The difference is that they refused to let those mistakes become permanent obstacles. When someone corrects your English, do not feel embarrassed. Instead, become curious. Ask yourself why the correction was necessary. Repeat the correct sentence aloud several times. Use it again in another conversation. Write it in a notebook if needed. Every correction is a free lesson that moves you one step closer to fluency. Instead of protecting your pride, protect your progress. Growth happens much faster when you welcome feedback with an open mind. Another powerful habit is to laugh at your mistakes instead of fearing them. Sometimes you will say something funny without realizing it. Sometimes your pronunciation may change the meaning of a sentence completely. These moments are not disasters. They become memorable experiences that help you remember the correct form forever. The people who improve the fastest are often those who are willing to smile, learn, and continue speaking instead of becoming discouraged. Change the way you talk to yourself after making a mistake. Instead of saying, "I'm terrible at English," say, "Now I know how to say it better." Instead of thinking, "Everyone will judge me," remind yourself, "Everyone who learned a language made mistakes too." Your inner voice has enormous power over your confidence. Encourage yourself the way you would encourage a close friend who is trying something difficult for the first time. The goal is not to become someone who never makes mistakes. The goal is to become someone who is never afraid of learning from them. Every conversation, every correction, every challenge, and every imperfect sentence is shaping you into a stronger English speaker. The mistakes you make today are quietly building the confidence and fluency you will proudly display tomorrow. Every error is another lesson. Every lesson is another improvement. And every improvement is another step toward becoming the speaker you have always wanted to be. Confidence is not something that appears overnight. It is built through small actions repeated every single day. Many people believe they need long study sessions or expensive courses to become fluent in English. But the truth is much simpler. What changes your speaking ability is not how much you study once in a while. It is how consistently you speak every day. Even 10 or 15 minutes of focused speaking practice can transform your confidence over time. Small daily efforts create results that occasional motivation never can. The biggest mistake many learners make is waiting until they have enough free time. They tell themselves, I'll start practicing next week, or I'll speak when my schedule becomes less busy. Days become weeks, weeks become months, and nothing changes. Progress belongs to the people who start with the time they already have. You do not need a perfect environment. You only need the decision to practice today. Every day gives you another opportunity to become slightly better than yesterday. Begin with simple conversations. Stand in front of a mirror and introduce yourself in English. Describe what you are wearing, what you plan to do today, or how you are feeling at that moment. It may feel strange at first, but speaking aloud trains your mouth, your ears, and your brain to work together. The more often you hear yourself speaking English, the more natural it begins to feel. Your own voice gradually becomes familiar with the rhythm and flow of the language. Create a routine that fits naturally into your daily life. Speak English while making breakfast. Describe the food you are preparing. Talk about the weather while looking out the window. Explain your daily schedule as you get ready for work or school. While walking outside, name the objects you see around you. Turn ordinary moments into speaking practice. You do not always need a classroom or a language partner. Your everyday life is full of opportunities to use English if you choose to notice them. Do not worry if your vocabulary feels limited. Use the words you already know. Fluency grows from repeated use, not from collecting difficult vocabulary that never leaves your notebook. If you forget a word, explain your idea using simpler English instead of giving up. Real communication is about expressing ideas, not showing off complicated words. Every time you find another way to explain yourself, your communication skills become stronger. Recording yourself is another powerful habit. Speak for 2 or 3 minutes about any topic, then listen carefully to your recording. You may notice pronunciation mistakes, long pauses, or grammar errors. Instead of criticizing yourself, treat the recording like valuable feedback. Compare new recordings with older ones after a few weeks. You will hear improvements that you may not notice during daily practice. Your confidence grows when you can clearly see your own progress. Consistency is much more powerful than intensity. Speaking English for 15 minutes every day is far more effective than studying for 5 hours once a month. Your brain learns through repetition. Every daily conversation strengthens the connections that make speaking faster and more natural. Miss one day if necessary, but never allow one missed day to become a habit. Return to your routine as quickly as possible because momentum is one of your greatest advantages. Celebrate small victories along the way. Maybe today you spoke for 5 minutes without translating in your mind. Maybe you remembered a new phrase during a conversation. Maybe you asked a question confidently for the first time. These moments may seem small, but they are signs of real progress. Every achievement deserves recognition because confidence grows when you acknowledge how far you have already come, instead of focusing only on how far you still want to go. There will be days when speaking feels difficult. You may forget words, lose confidence, or feel frustrated. Those are the days when practice matters the most. Do not let your emotions decide whether you continue. Let your routine carry you forward. Discipline will always take you further than temporary motivation. Every day you choose to speak, even when you do not feel confident, you are proving to yourself that growth is stronger than fear. One conversation becomes 2 become 10, and before long, speaking English is no longer something you force yourself to do, but something that becomes a natural part of who you are. One of the most powerful changes you can make in your English learning journey is to stop translating every sentence in your mind. Many learners hear something in their native language, translate it into English, check the grammar, search for the right vocabulary, and only then begin speaking. By the time they are ready, the conversation has already moved on. This habit slows your thinking, weakens your confidence, and makes speaking feel stressful. Fluent speakers do not translate every sentence. They think directly in English, and that is exactly the habit you need to develop. At first, thinking in English may seem impossible. Your brain has spent years using your first language, so naturally it wants to return to what feels comfortable. That is completely normal. The goal is not to force instant change, but to gently train your mind every day. Start with simple thoughts. When you wake up in the morning, think, today is going to be a great day. While making breakfast, think, I'm making tea, or this smells delicious. As you leave your house, think, I need my keys, or the weather is beautiful today. These small moments teach your brain to use English naturally without depending on translation. Do not wait until you know thousands of words before trying to think in English. Use the vocabulary you already have. Even simple thoughts create powerful habits. Instead of creating long and complicated sentences, begin with short and clear ones. Your brain learns through repetition, not through complexity. Every time you choose English over translation, you strengthen a new mental pathway that makes future conversations easier. Picture your mind as a road. For years, you have traveled the same familiar path in your native language. Now you are building a new road in English. At first, this road feels rough and slow because very few vehicles have traveled on it. But every English thought is another journey along that road. The more often you use it, the smoother and faster it becomes. Eventually, your brain begins choosing the English road automatically because it has become just as familiar as the old one. One excellent way to practice is by describing everything around you. Look at your room and silently name the objects you see. Say, there is a chair near the window, my phone is on the table, or the room is clean. While walking outside, describe the people, the buildings, the trees, or the traffic. While watching a movie, pause and explain what is happening using your own words. These exercises encourage your brain to create English thoughts instead of translated sentences. Another helpful habit is asking yourself simple questions throughout the day and answering them in English. Ask, what am I doing right now? What should I do next? What am I feeling today? What did I learn this morning? Even if your answers are short, they help your brain practice thinking quickly in English. Over time, these answers become longer, more detailed, and more natural without requiring extra effort. Do not become frustrated when you cannot remember a word. Instead of translating or giving up, explain the idea differently. If you forget the word umbrella, you can say, the thing people use when it rains. If you forget another word, describe its color, shape, purpose, or location. This habit trains you to communicate instead of depending on perfect vocabulary. Fluent speakers often explain ideas in different ways when they cannot remember a specific word, and that flexibility makes conversation smoother. Reading and listening also play an important role in learning to think in English. When you read simple English books or listen to English conversations every day, your brain becomes familiar with common sentence patterns. Instead of translating grammar rules, you begin recognizing expressions naturally. You start knowing what sounds correct because you have heard it many times before. This natural familiarity is much stronger than memorizing isolated rules. Most importantly, be patient with yourself. Changing the way your brain thinks is a gradual process. There will be moments when translation still happens automatically, and that is perfectly normal. Do not see it as failure. Simply return to English again and again. Every thought you create in English is another step toward fluency. Every sentence you build without translation makes your mind faster, your confidence stronger, and your conversations more natural until English begins to feel less like a subject you study and more like a language you truly live. Many people believe that learning English requires a special classroom, expensive courses, or long hours of study. While those resources can certainly help, they are not the true secret to becoming fluent. The real secret is making English a natural part of your everyday life. When English exists only inside your notebook or during a scheduled lesson, your progress remains limited. But when English becomes part of your daily routine, your brain begins treating it as a living language instead of a school subject. That is when real transformation begins. Think about how often you use your native language. You do not schedule time to think, listen, or speak it. It naturally becomes part of everything you do. The same principle can be applied to English. You do not need to change your entire lifestyle. You simply need to invite English into the activities you already do every day. Every ordinary moment can become a valuable opportunity to practice. Start with the small habits that require almost no extra effort. Change the language on your phone, computer, or social media accounts to English. Read notifications in English instead of your native language. When you search for information online, try searching in English first. Read product labels, restaurant menus, road signs, or instructions whenever they are available in English. These tiny actions may seem insignificant, but together they expose your brain to hundreds of English words every single day. Music is another wonderful teacher. Listen to English songs and pay attention to the lyrics. Sing along without worrying about sounding perfect. Singing improves pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence in a way that feels enjoyable rather than stressful. The more often you hear common expressions in music, the more naturally they become part of your own vocabulary. Movies, television shows, and YouTube videos also provide powerful learning opportunities. Instead of watching only for entertainment, become an active learner. Pause after interesting sentences and repeat them aloud. Notice how emotions change the speaker's tone of voice. Observe how conversations flow naturally. Write down useful expressions and practice using them in your own daily conversations. One short video watched with attention can teach more practical English than hours of memorizing isolated vocabulary. Reading every day is equally important. You do not need difficult novels to improve. Read simple news articles, children's stories, blogs, or short motivational passages. The goal is consistency, not difficulty. Every page you read strengthens your understanding of sentence structure, vocabulary, and natural expressions. As your reading improves, your speaking becomes richer because your mind has more language to draw from during conversations. Surround yourself with positive English. Follow inspiring speakers, educational creators, and language learning communities. Fill your environment with content that encourages growth instead of fear. The people and ideas you listen to every day influence your mindset more than you realize. If English becomes associated with curiosity, confidence, and opportunity, you will naturally feel more motivated to continue learning. Most importantly, use English to express your real life. Keep a daily journal in English. Write about your experiences, your goals, your challenges, and your dreams. Talk to yourself while driving, walking, or preparing meals. Describe what you see around you. Ask yourself questions and answer them in English. Even when no one else is present, your brain is still practicing communication. Every thought expressed in English strengthens your fluency. Do not measure success by how many grammar rules you have memorized. Measure success by how often English becomes part of your everyday world. Every sentence you read, every conversation you attempt, every podcast you hear, every page you write, and every moment you choose English over fear adds another layer to your confidence. One day you will notice that you are no longer translating every thought. You are no longer searching desperately for simple words. You are responding naturally, understanding more easily, and speaking with greater freedom because English is no longer something you practice only occasionally. It has quietly become part of your daily life, your habits, your thinking, and the person you are becoming.